Hi, it's Kath from BeeBee Leaf here. I'm going to show you what you get in a sandwich pack from us. So you have two wraps, 33 by 33 centimetres, and they come in either vegan or beeswax. And so you can choose a variety of different designs. This is tulip, it's one of our best sellers. So wrapping with a large, you can do all sorts of different things, but we're going to show you the most obvious one today, which is sandwiches. So the wraps are big enough to be able to wrap even Dad's doorstep sandwiches, and you just use the heat of your hands. Just make a little fold in the top, use the heat of your hands, and then scrunch up the sides, and it stays in place just like cling film. So that's the sandwiches sorted. Now we've got a bowl of popcorn. So I like to take popcorn with me because I can make it at home and there is no waste. The best way to store popcorn in a wrap is to make a pouch, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you start off with your square and you fold it in half diagonally, and that creates this shape. And then the two long ends you bring in together like this, and if you feel like you want to, you can tuck them in to make it extra secure, like that. And then open out the pocket. This is the bit where all the popcorn goes everywhere, you wait and see. And then you can just tip the popcorn. Tip the popcorn inside. And use the heat of your hands to seal the top. And that's your lunch for today. Maybe just chuck an apple with it. Thanks for watching.